Okay, viewers, so this is how I like to try to put this rim into this tire. I like to start with the center and place the center on the far edge, and then work the sides up and pop the top in. So I'm going to attempt that right now. You can see the back here is caught. Down here, the center's caught. Here we're work our way up this edge, coming to the top, and you can see the top is not there. So we're going to take our tools and pop that rim over. So turn it around, put it over here. So that side is closed, which is good. This side is open. So now we have the rim. We have the far bead in the center, and this one is all open, and that is what we want. Next is to line up this. Alright guys, so installing an inner tube. This is on a 700C. I'm going to start with our open tire, and then inserting the stem. Careful not to bend it. And working it without letting it twist into the tire casing. And you can see the inner tube is sitting in the nicely. The next step is to squeeze this. Alright guys, and seating the last bead on the tire after the inner tube has been installed. So I started with the bottom. I'm working up the sides, massaging with my fingers into the groove. I may need 2 hands for this. This is the last spot right here, and it wants to fight. Sometimes it roll over like that right there just did. So that is rolled up.